Hey guys, all right, I kind of have bangs, and yes, I know if you look at my eyes right now, one is significantly curled and one isn't. I did a short response, and I'll tell you guys really quick because I'm going to show you how I curled this eyelash too. A lot of people on YouTube called me a liar because I was doing a short using a Tweezerman eyelash curler, and I had to cut it to kind of keep it under, like, I think it was under 10 seconds or around 10 seconds. The truth of the story is, on shorts, I only have a few seconds to grab your attention, and if I'm not interesting enough, you're just gonna scroll, and that's fine. So I cut it short, so I kind of got to the point faster. See how nicely curled this lash is? I'm gonna show you how I do it on this side. And we're also gonna talk about this new mascara from Maybelline. It's called Fireworks. Super excited. Love when Maybelline launches a new mascara because, I mean, they have some really good ones. All right, I have a mirror here so that I can see what I'm doing. Basically, I'm gonna take the lash curler, I'm gonna put it all the way up to the root, and I'm gonna pump it a couple of times. Before you take your eyelash curler out, please open it and then take it out. Do not do it halfway, you will pull your eyelashes out. Also, make sure you have an eyelash curler that fits your entire eye. Again, this one is from Tweezerman. I believe this is the almond shaped one. My eyes are kind of long. Whenever I've used like Revlon eyelash curlers in the past, like many years ago, like 20 years ago, they used to pull out my lashes, and that was extremely painful. So if you are curling your eyelashes and it's pulling out the corner lashes or the inner lashes, it's not the right size for you. I'm gonna take that eyelash curler again, and I'm gonna almost like tilt it, like if I'm going halfway up on the lash, and I'm gonna continue to pump that. I have to curl the entire lash. My lashes are extremely straight and they kind of grow down, so I gotta like go all the way up. Otherwise, they're not gonna hold. To see how that automatically give me like that extra lift. Now we're gonna hit the tips. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just try to get the ends of your lashes. Just like that. My eyeball looks crazy. Let go. See, look, now we have a nice curled lash. Now I'm gonna go back to that root and just give it a little tiny extra lift. Let it go. And that's it. Curling my eyelashes is an absolute must. I don't care if the mascara says it's gonna curl your eyelashes. It's absolutely not gonna curl my eyelashes. I don't believe them when they say it because they just never do. All right, so this is the new mascara. I got mine off of Amazon. It's just faster. This is the packaging. It's really cute. It's pink. Who doesn't love pink? Let me read a little bit of it, what it is. It says Super Spark Brush, 360 Lash by Lash Impact Full Flare. So what it looks like here is like it's coating the lashes, it's giving length, really nice. I don't know if, wait, let me look. Yeah, I don't know if Maybelline is one of the brands that is not allowed to like, edit, or not edit, I'm sorry, not using the right word, like when they use false eyelashes. I don't remember where they left off with that. I think they were supposed to like pull that because it is false advertising. I feel like it kind of looks like her lashes, but I'm not sure. So that's why I'm gonna try it out and see if it works. This is a gel-based formula. It has vitamin B5. It's buildable, clump resistant. All right, so it's buildable, lengthening, clump resistant. That's all we need to know. I don't need to know about the other stuff. I'm gonna open it. Oh, interesting. I don't know why I thought the wand was gonna look differently. So here we are working with a silicone wand, and it looks like, let me look at it first before I tell you. I don't know why these wands remind me of cactuses because they have like rows of little like spikes. The spikes are short, so I'm guessing that's how it's going to kind of like build the volume. We'll see, we'll see. All right, here I am. The formula does not feel like super wet or anything. because when it's too wet, I know it's gonna drop my lashes. The brush is really nice. It is coating. Ooh. This is just the first coat, guys. It is coating my lashes actually very evenly. Now, I reviewed the Sky High mascara. I wasn't crazy about that, but I think I need to revisit. I don't think I was using it right. This, however, first impression, holy crap, this is really nice. This literally just coated all of my lashes in one coat. I got the color Very Black, by the way. Oh, I like this. I might need to buy more of these before somebody reviews it and it goes viral and then I can't find it. Okay, first impression, it's really nice. Let me do this eye and then I want to work a second coat. I kind of don't want to dip back in just yet. I want to see like how much of the mascara is on the actual like brush. Now you're definitely gonna have to dip it if you go to the other eye. It's not much, but I do like that it coats every single lash. I was like not too confident on the brush for some reason because like the little bristles were short. I don't know why. In my head I'm like, oh, I think they need to be longer, but nope, this is freaking perfect. And I just bought backup mascaras of mascaras that I do like. Ooh, I'm getting more of this one. Okay, so this one is a true one coat. Let's do a second coat. So I just dipped it in. Doesn't smell like anything either. All right, let's do another coat. The other thing too that I want to see is if it's gonna like really drop my lashes. But this formula seems so, okay, wait, how is this making it look like I have more lashes than I do? Holy crap. Alright, I'm not even done with this review and I'm telling you right now, if you're watching this, stop this video. I'm gonna link this in the Amazon because I think it's better price. Buy it through Amazon. If you want to support me, use my link. If you want to just do whatever you want, you can go buy this. Go freaking buy this because what the hell? No. This looks like fake eyelashes. Hold on, let me get close to you. Let me look up. Maybe you can see. What the hell? I love it. Hold on. I'm gonna buy backups. Right now in real time, because I'm telling you right now, somebody's gonna buy it, or somebody bigger than me is going to talk about it either on TikTok or here, and you guys are gonna make it sell out. So I'm gonna buy 2 more. I'm not even joking. I got Black is Black. Let's see. Quantity 2, add to cart. This mascara is ridiculous. I'm buying it. I know this is totally like, you're like, what the hell, Hannah? What is going on? I am not even joking. Okay, let's see. Continue to check out. I have not been this excited for a makeup product in a while, and this is ridiculous. Oh, it's gonna come tomorrow. Oh, I want to show you that I put the order in, but it has my address. Hang on. Order placed. Okay. Sorry. I'm so sorry, and I know like you guys are probably like, what? This is so, I've never, oh my god. Okay, the reason that I'm being, and I'm not trying to be extra, I'm not trying to be like that girl or whatever, but my eyelashes suck. They suck so bad sometimes because they're short. They have like, you saw at the beginning of the video, and if you follow me, you know what my eyelashes look like. This is by far the best drugstore mascara I have ever used, period. And I've reviewed quite a bit. I've never tried one that has wowed me this much, like immediately. Usually it's like, all right, let's build up more. And like I said, I reviewed that Maybelline Sky High one when it launched. I wasn't crazy about it. I don't know, but I mean, I can try it again. But this is like, guys, I think the video's done. I love it. I just bought more. I mean, look how fake eyelashes on so that my lashes could look like this. And this is 10 bucks on Amazon. I don't know how much it is at CVS, but I'm gonna link it down below. I love it. I feel so pretty right now. That's all I have to say. I think you need to try it. I bought 2 on Amazon, so there's some extra left there for you guys. Alright, thank you so much for watching. This is amazing. You need to try it, especially if you have little short stumpy lashes like I do. It's gonna give you hope. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.